Ashish Singh, and I am working as the operation manager, and I'm just taking care of all these restaurants regarding our operations and all these things.
Could you tell us a little bit about the concept of English
Yeah, exactly. It's
and why it's called a colonial cafe?
yeah, exactly. It's basically a multi-cuisine restaurant kind of a thing that we are serving a liquor as well as a food also. We have majorly a infused food over there. Like you will get it a very rare food items like butter chicken pasta over there,
Exactly. I
keema.
was going through that in your menu.
Yeah, exactly. And butter chicken, I'm going to say paneer makhni, croissant is there. Like we have an addition of English and Hindi and English combination with all together over there.
English would mean England, cuisine from England, from Britain? Or
Not
is
kind
it
of thing, it's an infused,
Western?
yeah, it's a Western with a Indian food stuff over there.
Alright, so most of the recipes, they have been created by the chef for the menu.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So typically, what is the seating of the restaurant?
It's nearby 150 nearby Lamsam, the sitting capacity. We have indoor as well as outdoor areas.
We talk about the indoor and the outdoor space.
Yeah, we have a good cabanas called as gazebos are there that we are conditioned, and that's if you are a group of 8 to 10 people and organize a party or a get together, it's a good space over there. We have a good out viewing outsources over there, so that's
So your cabanas are air conditioned,
air conditions like that.
apart from the outdoor seating. So what about the bar counters and all? You have two of them, one inside and one outside.
Yeah, exactly. If like generally the family guys are sitting in a restaurant kind of a thing. Like we are divided our restaurant in two parts, like a smoking zone and a non-smoking zone. Preferably, we're giving a seat of a family inside the cafe. So we are divided basically on that of. We are divided. Two bars are there. One in for the inside is easily to pick up the drinks and get the drink easily in a short time.
So do you want to talk about the bar menu of the restaurant? I mean, there is a very interesting range of cocktails that you have on the menu, I saw. So about that, and typically what is the USP in terms of your bar offering?
We have a few good cocktails are there, and we'll put it in the names by the local areas. Like we'll put it down as Subhash Nagar is there, and a Piccadilly. It's one of the restaurant nearby, and a Janakpuri Hilton Hotel is there, and we have a good you can say that a fish bowl cocktail. It's a conceptual is cocktail served down in a fish bowl, and it's shared by 2 or 3 of groups is there and shared by them. And apart from that, we have a good sangrias are there, cocktails, basic cocktails are there, and mocktails.
And beers, of course.
Beers, obviously beer. We have a tap as well as a.
With us is Chef Sanjay. He's the head chef of English, the Colonial Cafe. And you're sitting before an entire spread of amazing fusion dishes, very unusual names of the dishes and unusual renditions too. There is a soulfish lamb with the topping of bacon. And there was a chicken tikka which had a very theatrical presentation with smoke coming out of it. Then there is something called a khichda, okay, which chef is going to talk about. And then there are scotch eggs which are coated with mutton mince meat, right? Mince meat and eggs. And then there's a tiffin box too, against it is rotis. What rotis are those?
Lachana.
Lachana. Okay, so chef is going to tell us what the food of English means to him.
Alright. At English we got many sort of things which goes for every individual palate. We got some fusion food as well. Maybe I can start with our butter chicken penne pasta.
It's a very unusual combination.
Absolutely. Butter chicken basically people used to have along with butter naan or maybe roti or lacha. But we prepared some pasta out here, and the regular butter chicken gravy along with pasta. It comes as a nice combo. People love it. And coming to khichda, I will tell you, in north people prepare it along with yellow dal. Out here we prepare it along with black dal. Dal makhani ke saath mein we mix bit of rice, we zoom it in mixie, enrich it with some garam masala, zira powder, and some butter on top. देसी घी का तड़का भी देते हैं, और these are the accompaniments which goes बताना चाहिए. This keema scotch egg which we call here. As like you were telling, जैसा कि हमने आपको पहले ही बताया था, ये कीमा रेगुलर नहीं है जो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में यूज़ होता है. इट्स नॉट प्योर मटन मिल्क ओनली. हम इसको जैसे मटन सीख तैयार करते हैं उसके हिसाब से इसमें गरम मसाले बाकी सारी चीज़ें ऐड करते हैं. फाइनली हम इसको अंडे के ऊपर कोट करके डीप फ्राई करते हैं. तो दिस इज कीमा स्कॉच एग इंग्लिश स्टाइल फ्यूजन डिश. Or I must talk about our most selling salad out here, which is roast salad, roast chicken salad along with grapes.
Would you want to talk about the dessert?
डेट एंड फिक्रेटिन हमारी अभी ये नया एडिशन है हमारे मेनू में. वी आर सर्विंग इट एट आवर नेक्स्ट रेस्टोरेंट जरतुरा, वन ऑफ द टॉप सेलिंग डेजर्ट out there. We just added to our this menu as well.
Right.
So we are getting good response. Basically हम almond paste use करते हैं. Almond paste along with milk and bit of cream. We cook it. Thereby we get this base, some fig and date. हम इनको रब में soak करके रखते हैं, टॉप करते हैं, then we gratinate it on the salamander. That is why we call it date and fig gratin, and we serve it along with ice cream.
Right. Is this blowtorch by any chance?
Not exactly. We just placed it on the salamander.
So that heats it up.
Absolutely.
Right. Wonderful. So that's a wonderful spread. Anything else you'd like to talk about, Chef?
Nothing much, but I can say like
So which out of these is the best-selling dish at English?
goes like individual palette. I'm selling most of like when it comes
Salad.
to fish. Yes, when it comes to fish, we are selling this or roast sole. When it comes to salad or roast chicken salad,